Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily find a list of login and logout users in any Linux computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to press Ctrl Alt T on your computer keyboard to open the terminal. So in the terminal, just you need to type one word, that is LAST last, and hit enter. So here you can see the time and how many hours your computer is being used, and the dates, the respective dates, and the user's name. So you can see everything, even the OS versions. That is, you can see right now I'm still login, so it's showing still login, still running. Today's date 23. So you can see a complete list of a month, and you can see when I started using this OS, and today's date you can see how many hours I've been using right now. So yesterday's you can see how many hours, how many minutes. So in this way you can easily check what time your computer has been logged in or logged out. So try this easy tutorial to find out what time you have logged in or logged out in any Linux computer. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.